Throughout the ages, mysterious and enchanting creatures have captured the hearts and imagination of people across the world. Among these mythical beings, two aquatic creatures, sirens and mermaids, have generated a great deal of intrigue and fascination. Despite their similarities, these enchanting figures have distinct characteristics that set them apart from one another. The sirens' roots can be traced back to ancient Greek mythology, where they were portrayed as dangerous yet captivating creatures. The sirens were originally believed to be the daughters of Aeschylus, the god of rivers, and one of the muses, Terpsichore or Melpomene. They were initially described as beautiful women with wings and bird-like features who inhabited a remote island in the Mediterranean Sea. In Greek mythology, sirens were known for their enchanting voices that lured sailors to their deaths on the rocky shores of their island. The most famous encounter with sirens is the story of Odysseus from Homer's Odyssey. In this tale, Odysseus, aware of the sirens' deadly allure, has his crew members fill their ears with wax and tie him to the ship's mast so he can listen to their songs without succumbing to their charms. By resisting the sirens' enchantment, Odysseus and his crew are able to escape unharmed. Mermaids, on the other hand, have a more diverse cultural background. They appear in various mythologies and folklore across the globe, including those of ancient Assyria, the Middle East, Europe, and Asia. The first recorded mermaid figure is Atargatis, the Assyrian goddess of fertility and the sea. Since then, mermaid legends have continued to evolve in numerous cultures, often blending with local aquatic creatures and deities. Mermaids are generally depicted as beautiful, enchanting women with the lower body of a fish. They are commonly associated with the sea, love, and fertility. Unlike sirens, mermaids are not exclusively malevolent. Their roles in folklore can range from helpful and nurturing to dangerous and seductive. Some stories tell of mermaids rescuing sailors, while others recount mermaids causing shipwrecks or luring men to their deaths. As mentioned earlier, sirens were initially depicted as beautiful women with bird-like features, including wings and sometimes talons or bird-like legs. In this form, they embodied the dichotomy of attraction and repulsion, as their appearances were both alluring and monstrous. Over time, the portrayal of sirens has evolved, and they have come to be more closely associated with mermaids in terms of appearance. Today, sirens are often depicted as half-human, half-fish creatures, similar to mermaids. However, their bird-like characteristics still set them apart from mermaids in various art forms and literature. In contrast to the evolving appearance of sirens, mermaids have maintained a more consistent image throughout history. They are typically represented as having the upper body of a beautiful woman and the lower body of a fish, complete with a long, scaly tail. Mermaids may also have long flowing hair, which is often used to emphasize their feminine beauty and grace. Although mermaids are generally depicted as half-human, half-fish, there are some variations in their appearances across different cultures. For example, in Japanese folklore, the Ningyo is a fish-like creature with a human face, while in Irish mythology, the Mero is a mermaid-like creature that can shed its fishtail to walk on land. The allure of sirens has persisted in popular culture, with their enchanting voices and lethal charm often serving as a metaphor for dangerous temptations. They appear in various forms of art, literature, and music, typically as seductive figures that lead characters astray or bring about their downfall. In contemporary works, sirens have been reimagined in a variety of ways. Some stories maintain the traditional role as deadly temptresses, while others depict them as misunderstood or sympathetic characters. Mermaids have also maintained a strong presence in popular culture, captivating audiences with their beauty, mystery, and connection to the sea. They appear in numerous forms of art, literature, film, and music, often as symbols of femininity, freedom, and the untamed natural world. While sirens and mermaids share a connection to the sea and a penchant for captivating those who encounter them, they are distinct entities with unique origins, appearances, and roles in mythology and popular culture. Sirens, with their roots in ancient Greek mythology, are primarily known for their enchanting voices and deadly allure. While mermaids, found in various cultures across the globe, are celebrated for their beauty, grace, and diverse roles in folklore. In understanding the differences between sirens and mermaids, we not only deepen our appreciation for the rich tapestry of stories and legends that surround them, but also gain insight into the ways in which these mythical creatures have come to embody complex ideas about beauty, desire, temptation, and the unfathomable depths of the sea. This concludes our video on Sirens vs Mermaids, Unraveling the Mystery of the Sea. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more.